Let's take you to the stock market now, where the Nigerian Exchange Limited opened in the reds on the first trading session of the week, as investors lost 89 billion naira. According to data released by the National Bureau of Statistics (NBS), the inflation rate for September was recorded at 26.72%, indicating a 0.92 percentage point increase compared to the August inflation figure of 25.8%. However, the all-share index and the market capitalization depreciated by 0.24% to close at 67,037.93 basis points and 36.8 trillion naira respectively. A total of 5,965 deals took place involving over 216.07 million units of shares valued at 3.5 billion naira respectively. Well, this is how the market went yesterday, and joining us to analyze this is Ambrose Omodinyo, Chief Research Officer, Invest Data Consultant Limited. Good morning and thank you for joining us as always.
Thanks for having me.
Good to have you join us. The market ended on a bearish note yesterday. Do you see this as a response to the recently released inflation figure?
I will not say so, because no market have rallied for straight 3 days. That's why that the gains were not more. At the end of last week, market gained 1.12% higher. Say that there's some gains were made last week. Then a little profit taking is possible, what we saw yesterday. But according to the inflation figure that yesterday, I will say no, because the inflation figure anywhere in the world, it's a kind of improvement that guides your investment decision. And when it is high, it's bad for both the market, both the economy, and both for people that are in that domain. As we speak now, the inflation has reached about 36.72%. That means this is the highest figure in the last 18 years. But for those that are in the investment world, when you see high inflation, you look at how can you represent your portfolio to that direction where you can actually make money even when inflation is going up. Because in any environment, there are some companies that we call inelastic product, that even when demand, even when price is up, demand will also be up because of the nature and the purpose of that product. That means for you as a trader or investor, you can for such companies that you see that their demand for their product is high, even when it is high, and at the end of the day, such companies will post a positive number and will support their payout in terms of dividend. That means investors should now realign their portfolio in that direction. That is why I said before now that investors should look the work where the service sector, most of the companies that are in service sector in Nigeria, they've done well in their performance in terms of earnings in first quarter, second quarter, and up high on the third quarter result. I'll start hitting the market anywhere from now. Now that we're seeing inflation hitting the 26.72, and compared to all the returns in the physical market, that KGB is having 9.25% for 264 days as a return on whether yield or rating you want to call it. You now go to the federal government bond. The highest return in that's about 2053 was the highest is about 10.82 for the sole period. That means if you are in any such returns, you are already in a negative return compared to what is happening in the environment, because prices are up. There's pressure on prices in Nigeria. That means for you to earn money that will give you value, you must put your money in an instrument that will earn more than inflation. And year to date, we are seeing that the NGS have returned 30.8%. That means it's above inflation. That means that there's opportunity for investors to make money in that sector of investment or investment window. For me, I believe that once the earnings start hitting the market, investors have the opportunity to know where to put their money. And this also would drive a flow of funds into equity space, because we have seen volumes in recent times very low. But if what we call the smart money, who is the investor, seeing this inflation figure, and with the forecast that inflation might hit 30%, before the end of the year, I think the next thing is to start aligning their portfolio in the equity space, and that will now push funds into what that will now impact price of equity in up direction. For me, investors should understand that in any environment, whether there's uncertainty, people will make money. Today, what is happening in the Middle East, the market in that environment are closing in green. Because that's why there's war. That means investor apathy or investor apathy for all this kind of war has reduced, because why? They see that even in the midst of war, they can create wealth for themselves. That's why even they are not exposing themselves to more war. They are still taking advantage of what is happening in their market, and that's why it's slowly increasing. Or if plan to continue to drive inflation again, we know that across the globe, we are seeing kind of a slowdown in inflation, but the fear of this Middle East problem, if extend to other neighboring countries like Iran, it might affect oil price again. But as we speak now, commodity prices up. That means subsequently, we might start seeing also high inflation. That means for investors, you have to put your money ahead of what I'm just saying. Because if inflation is to go up, you must hedge against inflation. That means you have to put your money to where you see an opportunity to create value for you.
You made a quite worrisome statement, in your comment, saying that inflation might hit 30% at the end of the year. We've heard, we just had a conversation with an analyst, excuse me, before the segment, saying that the inflation trend might reduce, especially seeing that we're entering the dry season, that the last quarter figures might be lower than what we have currently. You seem to be on a different side of the divide.
Your harvest season, which is already in September and October. After September, which is the harvest season that started, we are seeing inflation going from 35.8 to 56.7. And although we are entering already in October, which is true now, but I will tell you that most of the farmers are not in the farm because of insecurity. That means it could bring inflation down because the prices of gas, electricity are in all direction. And don't forget that in December, what is expected to do, there's always high demand for goods and services. That also push prices. So like I said, between now and end of the year, it might slow down a little for the month of October. But I'll tell you, once we enter that month of December, which is the highest country of Nigeria, that is very simple because high demand for goods and services. Like I said, if the trade not taking, we are not saying that you might hit that. And that's what back already has taken already. Because we are growing, our exchange rate has not been sorted out. And also, I think that the price of fuel has increased, and even gas, cooking gas also is on the rise. I will tell you that all you to impact was on price, pressure on price. That will make price to go up. Nothing will put it now unless you go back to the farm. Whereas the security people are not on the farm, you can't overnight bring inflation. That as far also we're importing, we're importing inflation through our importation. Now that Central Bank has really stated about the ban on fertility, they're going to import more inflation to the economy because they are giving the market to import. For that, I don't see inflation coming down very soon or anything near. Unless by God will see another business model from the new civilian leadership and the new federal executive coming out with another policy to come. But for now, if they are going the way we are seeing, nothing will bring inflation down in Nigeria.
Wow. Well, we'll see how that goes, especially saying that it's a case of different strokes for different folks. Well, let's look at the gainers. We see Royal Exchange topping that list with a gain of 8.51% to close at 51 kobo, followed by GPLC also gaining 6.96% to close at 1 naira 23 kobo. What would you attribute these gains to?
For me, investors have seen that the insurance company performance in terms of price and even the sense of the companies have been impressive in recent times. Since December last year, when the regulators increased the premium for that sector, when you are paying more premium, automatically the company are going to make more money, and that's also reflecting on their price and also on their bottom line in terms of number. For me, if you are in those insurance companies, only that you have to pay with caution because local stocks are very volatile. But once you make profit, for me, there is just the best performance that's impacting the stock for your insurance company, which GPSC and Royal Exchange are part. But for Royal Exchange, you have to pay with caution. But why for Chi, get people to spread in Chi.
Well, let's look at the other side of the table where we see Sovereign Insurance topping that list with a loss of 10% to close at 36 kobo. Stanbic followed suit with a loss of 10% also, closing at 72 naira. And then Okomo Oil, of course, is there with a loss of 9.96% to close at 236 naira 80 kobo. How would you explain these losses?
Yeah, for me, I would say that for Stanbic IBTC, it does profit taking because we're still at the banking sector will post a better number, actually looking forward to see the Q3 number. Why for Okomo? I would say Okomo market already reacting to the policy of CBN. Because before now, oil importation has been banned in Nigeria, palm oil, and that has given Okomo and Fresco a good market in Nigeria that even their orders are yet to be met as we speak now. But with this order not open for them to import palm oil, already investors are thinking that is why the company are taking position to move back from that company to enter because the more there's competition in that industry, in some of the Nigerian market imported their palm oil, must pay them. For me, that's why I said the federal government and the CBN, which is the monetary policy and the fiscal authority, should come together and kind of give us a roadmap where we are going as a nation. Because lifting of the 43 items they tell us that you want to wipe away incarceration in Nigeria.